first and went through that journey of getting ISO 27001, protecting the endpoint and the users. How did you leverage Microsoft's not-for-profit status for that?
Well, I tell you what, if I start talking about Microsoft, you guys will think I'm being paid by them. Again, I walked into Epic. I had 7 months with the team to get ISO certified. We got accreditation.
Yep.
We had zero non-conformity. It was crazy. It's awesome. However, one of the biggest part of that was the roadmap we had. So the roadmap was, how do we reduce cost? Like we spoke about that earlier.
Yep.
About how do we reduce cost but still maintain a higher level of security across the footprint? So we looked at Microsoft E5 license. End of story. When I say end of story, I mean that became our goal. E5 license for not-for-profit.
Yep.
It's really cheap.